po, mag-folding na tayo. Kasi yung aking mga bagong nilabhan, kailangan ko ng isampay. You see, ito nag-fold na tayo. Ayan, and then yung mga medyas, pares-pares. O, ayusin na siya natin, itago. O, diba? It takes time also, diba? O, it takes time too. Oh, ayan. Sinarado ko po iyan. Yung ating window. Kasi may mga workmen who are painting outside. Ayun, oh. Kikita nyo po ba? Ayan. Medyo nakikita. Ayan, may shorts po ako niyan. Oo, ayan po. Nandyan sila. At nagre-repainting. Nandoon sila kasi repainting time. Ilang years na kami dito? 3 years. Sa 3 years na yan, ngayon pa lang po nag-repainting ng mga walls. Ayan. So, it's good na talagang may maintenance siya. Okay. At binayaran po namin yung maintenance na yan for 1 whole year last year. Oo, may additional payment po kami dyan sa mga external maintenance, katulad ng repainting sa mga common areas. Those are considered common areas, yung mga walls na yan. Okay, so takpan lang natin para hindi tayo masilip dito sa loob ng ating unit. Okay, ayan po. So, yung ating small garden. Tapos na po tayo nag-replant. Ayan, nag-replant. Nakapag-replant na po tayo. Ayun po, pinapatuyo ko. Yan, yung isang pot na nagkaroon ng root rot ang isang plant ko po. Na overwater. Kaya mga plants, be careful. Huwag nyo silang i-overwater. Kala mo, generous ka nun. Kasi everyday mo sila wino-water. You're watering them everyday. Some plants don't like a fast-draining soil. Ang gusto nila. So, ito naman, nagkaroon po siya ng leaves, burnt leaves. Kaya medyo wrinkled dahil it was burned by the sun. So, be careful also. Ito, hayaan lang muna natin sila because I don't have enough pots. Ito na po talaga. Yan, ang kanilang new babies. Nasa small pot lang siya. That was the original pot actually. Tingnan mo kung gaano na siya kalaki dahil yung mother plant niya used to be here in this small pot. Ayan na siya sa malaki-laking pot. So, repotting is key to our garden. And then ito, ayan nilipat ko din yung kangkong. Kasi masyadong marami na sila doon sa isang pot. Yes, I can't have so many. So, that is why yan, medyo tipid-tipid sila, share lang. Okay, let's go and ayusin na po natin yung area na to. A small corner here. Ayan, ito lang po yung ating for our laundry. For our laundry, small room living. Small room living lang po ito. So, I got this ironing board which I use also for folding clothes. Hindi na po tayo nag-iron. We're no longer ironing clothes to save on electric bills. I don't know why, but for the past 3 years, actually, meron kaming our bill only was always 2,000, 3,000, no? So, January, February, 3,000 pa lang. Pagdating po ng March, April, May, June, July, nako, ang laki-laki na po. Oo, so we tried to save on our electricity. So, we tried to be more watchful in our use of our kuryente. So, that's the reason why medyo this August, the bill that we received is only 5,000. Hindi na 7,000. Ayun, nasabi ng asawa ko, nako, yung YouTube mo na yan, YouTube. Yan pa yata ang nagpapataas ng ating kuryente. Oo, kaya eto, medyo tipid-tipid tayo ha. Maybe, Simply J will just upload once a week. Tapos, ayan na lang po, once a week na lang tayo. Pero support din po ako sa inyo. Sige. Okay, to save on our power consumption, we have to just wash and fold. Ganito na lang, wash and fold. Yes, why not? So, actually, okay, just stretch the pillowcase. Stretch your pillowcase. Put it flat, like that. In your ironing board without ironing it. You see? The techniques to survive. Survival techniques. There is no need for us to use so much power. Okay, ayan. So, fold, wash and fold. Wash and fold lang po tayo. Total mga... These are clothes for the house. No, house so it's retractable, flexible siya, retractable. So I can use that, and then when it's not in use, I can actually push it back. There. So here. So normally I open the windows to let our clothes dry. It's not allowed to hang your laundry outside in the balcony. So that's a no-no here. So that's why we have to hang them inside. So because we can open the door. Yes. Because we can open the door, it's actually less on. We can save on air conditioning or electric fan. I don't even use electric fan anymore. Ayan. So, from 7,000 last July, this August, we received the bill that's only, it's not anymore 7,000. We had it lower, and then we lowered it into 5,000 now. So from 9,000 to 7,000, and now it's only 5,000 something. That's a big win, but hopefully for next month, we could let it go back to 3,000 again. Is it even possible? I don't know. Can we lower our bill from 5,000 to 3,000 back to 2,000 when it used to be 2,000? When we have emptied the space, there is always something we can put back. Like for example, so I have just laundered, and so I can hang those newly laundered clothes or newly washed clothes here because there is space. Otherwise, if there is no space, the house will be so full, you don't know what to do. So, ayan. So, put all your socks together. Oh, ito, magkapares na. They will not waste time looking for the partner of these socks. Time consuming. Sabihin ng anak mo, Mama, saan na po yung pares nitong isang socks ko? Ayun, di ba? Kaya kailangan magkakaano na siya, magkapares na. Wash and fold, no more ironing. I used to iron all of those clothes, bed sheets, okay, even our underwears. I really try to iron them. Although, tamad po akong mag-iron sa totoo lang. Kaya I'm happier this time because I don't have to iron them. O sakit kaya sa kamay. So actually, I'm already feeling something in my hands. No, ito yung mga kamay na to. No, na talagang overworked. Overused na yung kamay ko eh. So, kaya, ayan. Hindi na kailangan mamalansya, just wash and fold. Ayan, tingnan nyo po. Yung the things that I need to let go of. So, let go muna, i-let go. Yung hat, syempre hindi. Ito, matagal na eh. 1 year ko na yata hindi nagagamit ito. And it's still good. So, good for donation na siya. And also, this pair of shoes can be donated. Magagamit pa to ng mga bagets, no? Mga doon sa simbahan. Magagamit pa yan nila. Wait lang. Oh, ha? Kasi wala na tayong mapaglagyan dahil maliit po ang aming bahay. Ayan, bigay mo na yan doon sa mga bata. Just give them away. Donate because there were so many who experienced floods and then the bagyo. Kaya kailangan na po natin downsize. So, downsize na. Mag-downsize na. The suggestion was actually to remove all the excess. Kasi ang dami po nating excess, no? So, ayan, mga books na yan. Kung ano pa ang pwede nating ipamigay, ibigay na. Kasi ang dami pong na kulangan. Yes, kaya yan po. That was what has been making me so busy these days. Sorting out. And then, ayan. Finally, Sisi, I will be giving you this. Okay. Yes, ayan po. So, wala na pong LBC dito eh. Sabi ko, saan kaya ang LBC? Ang ganda pa naman yan, o diba? So, matagal ko nang tinatago yan. And there is here, K1, ito, Filipiniana attire. Okay, I hope you'll be happy wearing this, you see. I hope you will be happy wearing this. I wore this at Intramuros one time. Yes, nalabhan ko na po ito, nalabhan. At maybe before sending, planchahin ko na rin, no? Okay, ayan po, para sa'yo yan. Okay, so August ngayon. So, every August, di ba, meron tayong, Filipiniana. So, nagpipilipiniana tayo. Ito na, para sa'yo ito. Sana maipadala ko bago matapos ang August. Some books that I need to give you. I will try to find a forwarder. So, para maipadala ko na sa'yo. Pre-loved sila. Pre-loved na kailangan na silang i-let go. Ayan, kaya we thank the Lord for all of these blessings. Pero, kailangan na silang ibigay sa iba. Diba? Then, to have only that. Yan. Yan na po talaga. Hindi na talaga siya, sakto lang. May dalawang black shoes, dalawang white shoes. Dalawa kami ng anak ko eh. Opo. Ito sa baba, pwede pa yan bawasan eh. Yung sa asawa ko ganyan, pwede pa sanang bawasan. Pero, well, hindi pa po kayang i-let go as of now. So, tingnan natin ha. As we go along, simplify our lives. Ganyan nga po. Ito po yung place ng aking dalaga. So, kita nyo na po, no? Ang dami niyang mga buting-ting, mga anik-anik. Ganyan po talaga, pag bata ka pa. Pero for Simply Jane, kailangan na talagang simplify na. Simplify. Naalala nyo po yung nandyan sa itaas? Delikado siya eh. Baka mahulog po sa mga ulo namin habang kayo natutulog. Wag naman po. Kaya, ayan na. So, ganyan ang sitwasyon dito po sa ating munting bahay. So, ayan po, kailangan na sila talaga i-sort out, kailangan nang ibigay kung sino po ang nangangailangan.